Hello everyone, I'm Candy. Today I will show you our extruder machine to you. This is the 3D printer extruder machine. I will show you our factory products, and this side for the 3D printer extruder machine. We have 5 sets in stock. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now I will show you the extrusion line one pass by one pass. This pass is the main extruder for melting the raw material. This is the 45 screw and the barrier. The capacity around 20 to 25 kg per hour. Here is the raw material drying system. Different raw material should be different temperature. And here is the temperature controller, set temperature and actual temperature. Here is our company, and this one is the extruder mold for producing 1.75 and 3 mm filament. Here is the hot water tank, because when cooling, the filament cannot go through the cold water directly. Here can see the temperature because the heater inside. This one is the normal water tank without the heater, just the water pump. This is the device for the drying system, because after the water tank, it has some water on the surface of filament. It should drying. Then laser system for control the tolerance of filament. And here is the puller, give us strength, put it forward. Here is the storage device to winding the filament here, and the autometer, and the window system. This is our key point of production line. After our window machine, it can get the net winding filament. It's so perfect. That's all. This is our 3D printer extruder machine. If you want to get more in details, you can contact with me, Candy.